Gilas Pilipinas, buhay pa rin ang pangarap na makapasok sa Olympics matapos talunin ang Latvia tsaka Georgia. So for today's video, papag-usapan natin kung may chance ba yung Gilas to make it to the finals. As of right now, they have secured a spot in the semifinals after like their 2 wins. Well, the other win is not counted kasi natalo sila. But I'll be explaining it further later. So, either magiging kalaban nila sa semifinals is Brazil or Montenegro. So, abangan. On their first game, Gilas Pilipinas upsetted the home team, Latvia, with a score of 89-80. Brownlee led the way with 26 points, Kai Soto with 18, Dwight Ramos with 12, Junmar with 11, Chris Newsome with 10, CJ Perez with 6, Kevin Kiambao with 3, Japet Aguilar with 2, Tamayo with 1, and Calvin Oftauna no scored points. On the other hand, Rodion Kurucs scored 18 points, Davis Bertans with 10, Strelnieks with 10, Zoritz with 10, Smits with 9, Strotins with 6, Lomas with 6, Dairis Bertans with 5, Tima with 3, and Mejeris with 1. On their next game, Gilas Pilipinas was able to secure their place in the semifinals despite a 96-94 loss to Georgia. Justin Brownlee led the way for Gilas Pilipinas with 28 points, 8 rebounds, and 8 assists. Georgia led all the way, having like a big lead, kaso na comeback ng Gilas Pilipinas. So, they needed 19 points to advance to the semis, ngunit hindi nila nagawa yon at Gilas Pilipinas ang pumasok sa semis. Para sa akin, kaya ng Gilas yan. Ngunit, both Brazil and Montenegro have like NBA players, like also na mga potential na maging isang NBA player, may skills and talents nandun sa mga teams na yon. So medyo mahihirapan yung Gilas doon. Pero who knows? Mali mo, ma-upset nila. Just like sa nangyari sa Latvia at saka Georgia. Pero syempre, nandun pa rin yung tiwala. Tsaka kaya naman talaga ng Gilas yan. If maganda yung laro nila, competitive, tapos they can make their shots. Kayo, sa tingin nyo makakalagpas yung Gilas Pilipinas sa semifinals kung either Brazil or Montenegro makakalaban nila? Sa tingin nyo makakapasok sila sa finals sa FIBA Olympic Qualifying Tournament? Leave your opinions in the section below, or the comment section below, sorry. That'll be very much appreciated. So, yun na muna para sa akin. Hope you guys enjoy. Once again, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace!